Hi, this is John at Flat 6 Motorsports. I'm going to show you how to reset your oil service reminder on a Porsche with the iCarsoft. Now you can do this with an iCarsoft V1.0 or an iCarsoft V2.0. Very helpful devices if you're a DIY type person. We have a full video, check the link below, explaining the differences between the V1.0 and V2.0, but the process is identical to reset the service light. So let's go out. We actually have a Porsche Macan that we just changed the oil on and we need to reset the light. So let's show you how to do that. All right, so the first step is going to be to plug it into your OBD2 port, and then you just cycle the key ignition on, keep the engine off, but make sure the key ignition is on. And then within this menu, you're just going to go to the service function and oil reset. Just hit the enter button. Now I'm actually using a CR Pro that we use here on the shop that can support multiple models, so I have to go find Porsche. But if you buy a Porsche V1.0 or V2.0, it'll come just with Porsche applications. Okay, so now it's going to try to detect the car, but we're just going to go to manual select and select the Macan that we're in. And then there's a list of services here of oil service, intermediate maintenance. We just did the oil service, so we're going to reset that light. And so we just click enter, ask you to confirm the ignition's on and hit F2 for OK. And then you're going to enter the current date. Okay, so once you enter the date, you just hit F2 to finish. It's going to communicate with the ECU. It says application complete. Just hit OK. And that's all you need to do to reset the oil service. If you do intermediate maintenance and other services, you can also reset those, or you can reset all services. But we want to keep the computer accurate here, so we just want to do the oil service. And then just to test it, we can cycle the ignition off. All right, so as you can see, the service reminder is gone, but we can also go in and check just the interval here. And if we go to Info, Service Interval, and we go down 3, you'll see the oil change has been reset. So it's saying that by January 2023 or 10,000 miles, we'll need to change it again. So this application worked perfectly. Now we can drive the car. We usually change our oil every 5,000 miles, but that is how you reset the light. So as you can see, it's super simple to reset service reminders with this iCarsoft. It also does some other things, like if you have a fault or check engine light, you can read the codes off here and reset codes or clear the codes. So it's a very useful tool if you're a DIY person, or you just want to have the access to get information off your ECU if a check engine light comes on, and particularly if you change your own oil or take it to a shop that might not be a Porsche specialist and have this kind of tool. You can reset your service reminders. So I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. We have these iCarsofts available at flat6.com for all models. All the Porsche ones will work with all Porsche models as well, just to note. So if you have multiple Porsches, it'll work on all Porsche models. They're fairly cost effective. If you have any questions, feel free to drop a comment below or shoot us an email at info@flat6motorsports.com. We'll see you in the next one.